In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play the song Savage Love by Jason Derulo and Jawsh685. So stay tuned. Hey everyone, this is Matt from You Can Uke, and every week I'm releasing new song tutorials so you can learn how to play the ukulele. So don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a lesson, and consider joining me on Patreon where I have a chord chart available for this tutorial. Alright, let's check out this song together. So to play Savage Love, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. And if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are A minor, F major, C major, and G major. Let's check out those chords together. So the first chord for this song is A minor. To play that, just take your second finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. The next chord is F major. To play that, just take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, then take your second finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. The next chord is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. And the last chord for the song is G major. To play that, just take your 1st finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be A minor for 8 beats, F major for 8 beats, C major for 8 beats, and G major for 8 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by bringing out each chord. 1, 2, A minor, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, F major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, C major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, G major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to learn the strumming patterns for this song, and we're going to break it up into 2 sections. The first section is going to be for the intro, the verses, the choruses, and the bridge, and the second section is going to be for the pre-choruses. So the first section, which again is for the intro, the verses, the choruses, and the bridge, we're just going to be playing tap, down, up, tap, down. Let's play through that string pattern now on the A minor chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, tap, go, tap, down, up, tap, down, tap, down, up, tap, down, tap, down, up, tap, down, tap, down, up, tap, down. And now let's apply that string pattern with the chord progression. 1, 2, A minor, tap, ready, go. Tap, down, up, tap, down, tap, down, up, F major, go. Tap, down, up, tap, down, tap, down, up, C major, go. Tap, down, up, tap, down, tap, down, up, G major, go. Tap, down, up, tap, down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the second section, which again is just for the pre-choruses, we're just going to be playing down, pause, up, down, 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 up. Let's play that string pattern now on the A minor chord. 1, 2, down, strum, ready, go. Down, pause, up, down, 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 up, down, pause, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, pause, up, down, up, down, pause, up, down, up. And now let's apply that string pattern with the chord progression. 1, 2, A minor, down strum, ready, go. Down, pause, up, down, up, down, up, down, pause, up, down, up, down, up, down, pause, up, down, up, down, up, down, pause, up, down, up, down, up. And at the end of each pre-chorus, you're going to ring out the G chord on a down strum. It's going to sound something like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Down, pause, up, down, 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 up, down, pause, up, down, down, up, down, pause, up, down, up, down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming patterns, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Savage Love. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Every night and every day, I try to make you stay, but your savage love, did somebody break your heart? Looking like an angel, but you're savage love. When you kiss me, I know you don't give too much, but I still want that. Your savage love, your savage love, your savage love. You could use me, 'cause I still want that. Your savage love. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Savage Love. And that's you play Savage Love by Jason Derulo and Jawsh685. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial. Hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give a special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for sponsoring this video, and to my friends at Soundbrenner for allowing me to showcase their awesome metronome watch. I'm going to leave links in the description box below so you can check out more of the products. And finally, I want to invite you to join the UK family on the Vibely app. This is a place where you can engage with other ukulele players, join cool challenges, and win free prizes. So download it today. It's completely free. It's available for all Android and Apple devices. Again, don't forget to subscribe to check out these next tutorials and to keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.